Welcome to the lesson correlative conjunction. After completed in the lesson correlative conjunction, you will be able to define correlative conjunction and identify the correlative conjunction in the given sentences. In their started of correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are those conjunctions that are used in the pair of word in their usage in correlative sentences word both and either are from to neither nor as scarcely when not only but also as so whether or hardly when. In their following example, I will have both a samosa and a cold drink. Samosa before both and cold drink before and. In there are two words in joining both and add. In their conjunction in correlative conjunction. When conjunction are used as correlated, each of the correlative word should be placed immediately before the word to be connected. In their conjunction, correlative conjunction in word, in their usage in sentences before, immediately, in particular sentences. If they are joining of completed of sentence. For example, I like both samosa and cold drink. In they are two different words. Samosa and cold drink. In their usage in sentence. In their joining of sentences both and in their correlative conjunction word both and. In they are two words. In their joining of sentences. In called as correlative conjunction. For next example, I like neither samosa nor cold drink. In there neither nor in the correlative conjunction in use of sentences in completed sentences for different word in their joining in use of correlative conjunction. I will either feed the rabbit or feed the parrot. Either or in their usage in sentence is correlative conjunction. Next example, I will either play or study. In their play and study, in their two different words. In their usage in sentences, using of conjunction in correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction in worded either or in their use in sentences. For next example, not only but also. He not only wrote the script for the play but also. In there not only but also in the correlative sentences. Conjunction in correlative conjunction word. In their use in sentence, it is called as correlative conjunction. In their next word, the application form for the seminar will be issued between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. between and in their usage in sentence in correlative conjunction word in use of sentence in the completed of sentence in use of correlative sentences. In their correlative sentences is use correlative word main word in sentence before using correlative conjunction word. In their joining of other word in sentence in their completed sentence. for use in correlative sentences.